Hey friends, if you wish to change network profile from public to private and the option is missing on Windows, then I will guide you through two solutions only. So first of all, you can do this through the registry editor and it will surely work. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to the key HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, network list and profiles. Under profile, you will find a certain network. Click on it. To check whether it is a genuine one, click on profile name and check the value data. Is it this the SSID of your Wi-Fi? If yes, then it's a correct network. Now click on category. The default value is 0, which signifies that the network is public. Change it to 1 to make it private and click on OK. And if you wish to make it vice versa, just change it to 0 and the network will be public again. Hit OK and this is done. But this is a workaround. This is not a permanent fix. So what could you do for a permanent fix? Well, you can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.